gaming console or on your phone and have wondered if you can repair it yourself. वैसे generally आपका कोई device अगर टूट जाता है, you have to go to the official service center to get it serviced or repaired. Now that becomes too much costly, and if you go to a local service center, you do not get genuine parts or genuine information of how to repair these devices. Even if you want to repair it yourself, you can. But now there is an interesting law called Right to Repair law that is passed in US. Under this law, it gives you freedom to own your device completely. That means अगर आप अपने device को repair, refurbish या modify करना चाहते हो, तो आपको कंपनी की तरफ से genuine parts और genuine information publicly available होगी. This is how when you go to a local vendor, उसके पास भी genuine parts और repair के सारे instructions clearly available होंगे. Do you think right to repair should also be available in India? Let us know in the comments. And वैसे अगर आपको ऐसे interesting facts और भी जानने हैं तो every Monday, Wednesday and Friday we release such videos. So don't forget to give up a thumbs up and subscribe.